Good morning, student. First, we will learn the rule of signs. If a is any number, then plus plus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus. If one number in the bracket having a plus sign and outside the bracket there is a plus sign, what will come? Plus plus plus. Here inside the bracket the number having negative sign and outside the bracket number also having the negative sign. Minus minus plus plus sign. Here number having in the bracket negative sign and outside positive sign. So plus minus minus. Here number having positive sign inside the bracket and outside negative sign. So minus plus minus. This rule you have to keep in mind while you add or subtract. Let's see. With the help of this example, you are able to understand. Plus plus 2 is equal to plus 2 and minus minus plus plus 4 plus minus 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 7 minus plus minus we write here minus 7. Is it clear? Now we solve these questions. Minus 37 minus 37 outside the bracket there is a plus sign. Keep remember always positive is there. Plus minus, so we can write here minus 37. Here plus here minus, plus minus minus, so we write here minus. Now these two numbers having a like sign. Keep remember when two integers or two numbers having the same sign, they will be added. That's why we will add. And which sign we have to place in the answer? Say this sign, common sign. Okay. So here we can first we have to put the equal sign. Here also equal sign. 37 and 15. What we get here? 52. And which sign we have to put? Their common sign, negative. Because both are negative, that's why we have to put the negative sign. Now next question. Here outside the bracket, what is the sign? Positive. And inside the bracket, minus. Plus minus minus. So first we have to write minus 30. This plus 24 will come as it is. Now these two numbers having opposite sign. When two numbers having opposite sign, in that case we have to subtract. Okay. And we have to place the sign of the greater number. Which is the greater number? Is 24. If you subtract here, first you have to put the equal sign. If you subtract here 13 from 24, so what we get here? 11. We write here 11. Now 10, what is the sign of 11? The sign of 11 will be positive. Okay. So we can write positive sign also. If you write, it will be better. Now next question. 17 will come as it is. Here plus minus minus 31. Okay. Put equal sign. Now both the number having opposite sign, so we will subtract. If you subtract 17 from 31, so what you get here? 14. And what is the answer? Answer will be plus or minus? Minus. Why?
Because minus 31 is greater.
Minus 31 is greater. Got it? In this question, we will learn add the given integers. How to add two or more integers. Here we are having two integers. Both are negative sign. When we have negative integers and we want to add them, so we have to put in a bracket. That's why I am putting in the bracket minus 4058. Now we want to add them. That's why between them we have to put a sign plus sign. And this integer having negative, that's why we have to put in a bracket. Okay. Now plus minus minus 4058 plus minus minus, we can write here 2232. Okay. Now both integers having the same sign. Okay, when two integers more integers having the same sign, so they will be added. These are having the same sign, so we will add them. We add them 2 at 10 times 0, carry 1, 3, 5, 8, 1, 9, 2 plus 0, 2, 2, 4, 6. Now which sign we have to plus here? Because their common sign is negative. So we have to put negative. If their common sign positive, so we put positive. In this case, we are having the negative sign, so we have to put negative sign. Okay. So next question. Here we having three numbers. We are having three numbers. Okay. First put is equal to sign. This negative integer, so we will put in a bracket minus 235. Here we want to add, so we have to put plus sign. plus 46 plus minus 235 plus 484 plus 46. Okay, now here we are having three integers and two integers having the same sign or like sign and one integer having negative sign. This I made you clear when two integers or more integers having the same sign, so they will be added. Here also these two integers having the same sign, so we will have to add. Minus 235 will come as it is. If you add them, 4, 6, 10, carry 1, 4, 8, 12, 1, 13, carry 1, 4, 1, 5, 5. Which sign you have to place here? Their common sign positive, so we have to put positive. Now, here these two integers having opposite sign, negative, positive. If two integers having opposite sign, so we will subtract. If you subtract, let's see what we get here. 530 to 35. Okay. Now we can't subtract 5 from 0, we borrow, it becomes 2, it becomes 10, 5 from 10, you get 5, 3 from 2. We can't subtract, again we have to borrow, it becomes 12, 3 from 12, what we get here? 9. So 2 from 4, what we get here? 2, 295. 295. Now tell me what is the sign of the 295? Negative or positive? Positive. Why? Because we have to place the greater number sign in case of subtraction. It depends on your choice. You can put plus also. If you don't put the plus, it is considered positive always. Keep remember. Now we will learn how to subtract two integers. Subtract. We have to subtract. What we have to subtract? 28. From which number? 13. Because we want to subtract this 28 from 13. Which number we should write first? 13 we will write first. Keep remember. That's why we are writing 13 first. We want to subtract. Subtract means what? We want to find out the difference of these two integers. When we want to find out the difference, we should place this sign? Minus sign. And that's 28 will come as it is. 28. Now you subtract. So what you get? 13 from 28. 3 from 8. So we get 5. And this 1 from 2. So you get 1. What is the answer? 15. Got it?
Yes.
Now minus 33 from 8. So which numbers we should write first?
8.
We will write
8 first.
8. Then which sign we will do? We have to place minus sign. This number is negative.
Yes.
I have already made you clear. If now integer having negative sign, so we have to put the bracket. Now 8 will come as it is. Minus minus plus. Now these two integers having the same sign. Plus and this number also positive. If number don't have any sign, so it is considered positive. 33 and 8. What we get here? 41. Now 30 from minus 30. So which number we should write first?
Minus
30. We want to subtract this, why we have to put the minus sign. This 30 will come as it is. Now the plus minus minus 30. This minus 30. Okay. Both having a like sign, so we will add 30 and 30, 60. Which sign we have to place here? They are common sign. In case of addition, we have to put the common sign of number. If their common sign is negative, that's why we are putting negative. Now minus 10 from minus 90, which number we should write first? Minus 90. Put the bracket. Now we want to subtract. That's why we write here minus sign. Then this integer we want to subtract, minus 10. Plus minus 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 90, and this minus minus become plus. So we can write here plus 10. Now these two integers having different sign. So we will subtract. If we subtract, what we get here? 80.
Minus 80.
What we get here? Minus. Why we get the minus? We have to place the greater number. The greater number here 90, regardless of its sign. When you are going to compare, when subtract, regardless of the sign, you have to compare. Now, minus 80. Now we have to subtract 22 from 0. So first we have to write the 0. Now we want to subtract. That's why we have to put the minus sign. 22. If you subtract 22 from 0, so obviously you get minus 22. Got it?